Hey guys, I wish it was a way. I don't think I could do that. Okay, well, I'm just hopping on here because I'm going to stop by the machine today.
Turn left on Monitor Street.
And I'm gonna go like refill a few things. I'm also gonna change the assortment up just a little bit. Just add a few things in and switch things around that's not really selling. This will be considered our month's end. Today will make exactly a month that we've been in there, and I feel like we did so good for the first month. Like, we did so good for the first month, like money wise. Even like just staying dedicated to going every week and stuff like that. I feel like that was so good. I really, this time I want you guys to guess how much you think we made for the month, because I already know how much we made for the first week. So now I need y'all to figure out how much we made for the month and put it in the comments. I'm not putting it in this video. I'm gonna put it in the next video, so you guys just really can't just watch to the end to find out. So please let me know. Let me know how much you think we made, and yeah, I'll be back once I get there. Bye. Packing the stuff.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Excuse the way I look, excuse my background, excuse everything, okay? Everything. I look crazy, but I just hopped on really quick to tell you I just secured another location. And this time I did it all by myself. Oh my god, I look crazy. I just finished working from home, but whatever. I just wanted to come on to let you know I secured my second location. This is probably gonna create a business opportunity where I can put my machine in multiple locations for them. But so far I'm on my second location. It is only, today's March 22nd, I believe. Today's Tuesday. I think it's like March 22nd. But I just wanted to hop on here and say that. I'm not going to give out the details yet. I just got to go pick up the proposal and everything. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I did this one by myself. The last one, as you guys know, I used a locator. I used the locator because, you know, it looks so weird when I look this way. I used the locator because I just didn't have time to keep calling around. Like, I was calling around everywhere. People were giving me a runaround. It was just a lot, and I got defeated. It was just like, I can't. And yesterday I woke up and I was just like, Melanie, you got to do something different. Even if you want to use the locator, you can, but try again and use a different strategy. And that's what I did. Yesterday I was calling around. All day today I was calling around. I actually spoke with someone. The difference what I was doing before versus now is the way you ask for things. Like, when you ask a certain way, you just get a yes or no answer. And when you switch up your words, it's for them to engage more in conversation. So instead of me just saying, hey, my name is Melanie, I'm looking to see if you want a vending machine placed in your establishment, they'll be like, oh no, it's okay, we don't have any space. And I just be like, okay, and I hang up the phone. This time around, it was, hey, do you guys have any snack or drink vending machines? And they'll be like, no, I don't have one. Oh, well, are you interested? My name is Melanie. I have a company called MVP Vending, and I'm calling around to see if people want vending machines. It's a good niche to have in your business. And that's what I've been doing. If someone told me no, I would ask why don't you want one. I'll let them know right then and there, this is free of charge, it's nothing on your plate, all you have to do is let me put it there. And that changed up the conversation. I was able to get multiple people emails and all those type of things. So I'm so proud of myself. This one today, they actually did have one, and I switched it up. Do you have other locations? Like, just because you call one company location that you find on Google don't mean that they don't have other businesses elsewhere. And this one happens to have businesses in a different borough, and I was like, that's fine. And it happens to be in Brooklyn. My first location is in Brooklyn, so it really worked out, because if I can just do all my routes in Brooklyn, like, that would be perfect. So yes, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But whatever, that was it. Just a little quick vlog just to tell you guys that. I'll bring you guys through the journey for the rest of the things. But thank God every day. Thank God, man. When I tell you, God is it. Like, I pray so many times throughout the day. Like, I pray for a lot of stuff. I pray to be somebody one day. Don't mind my earring, God. I dropped the back piece this morning when I was trying to clean it. I pray every day, multiple times a day, like, just to thank God for everything he gave me so far. Ask him to help me in the future with any other things. Help me find a career path that's right for me. A business opportunity that's right for me. And he's been on my side, and I don't always just ask. I thank him all the time. So yeah. Let me stop preaching, but I'm so excited. But that's it. That's it, I promise. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna keep talking. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you.